Hi everyone. So today we are going to learn how we can create ads on Snapchat. If we want to advertise on Snapchat, Snapchat is very popular among the younger generation and it gets lots of traffic, lots of people are using it. So it's I would say a younger sibling of Instagram, but Snapchat users are very loyal. So here also you can do ads and target the millennials and Gen Z. I have opened it on my desktop. This is my desktop homepage of Snapchat. On the top left corner, this is my profile icon. Once I click here, here I can see Snapchat ads. Once I click on Snapchat ads, it will take me to a new URL for business.snapchat.com. Now here I will click on create an ad. So if I want to create ads with Snapchat, I have to click here. Once I create it, since I have already logged in, so it will take my profile and then ask me few questions. We will just wait for it to load. It's the first time, that's why it's taking time. Now here you can see there is a logout option. That means I am logged in. Now it's asking for my business name since I want to run ads. Snapchat has my personal profile, but to run ads, you need a business profile. So here I will give my business name, Revo, then click next. Now here we have more questions like in which country we do business, that is India, business phone number, business website also I'll write here. Revoke.com I have given. It's asking for GSTIN also, but I don't have my GSTIN. My business does not have GSTIN. GSTIN is actually required if your annual turnover is more than 20 lakhs. So I guess tax ID is required. So I guess we are stuck here. So I can do it with wrong GSTIN, but that will be difficult to do. That will not be right. So at least we have an idea. The Snapchat is very strict and it needs your business details and GSTIN to run ads on it. Okay, then thank you. If I get a GSTIN, I will make another video and then we will learn how we can create Snapchat ID for ads.